Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can properly pair AirPods Pro to an iOS device, and I will show you all the problems you may have to deal with and how to fix them. And I will tell you the first one, and next I will show you. The first one and the most crazy fact is that our AirPods Pro need to be charged. So believe me that sometimes people forget about that, and when they open the case, this indicator is not lit, is not on the green color, and they are surprised that AirPods don't want to connect to our iOS device. Yeah. So next, so remember that you have to charge your case. When you open the case, an indicator must be on the green color. Next, very simple and very obvious thing, that we have to enable Bluetooth on our device by tapping on the switcher, just like that. As you can see there, I got my AirPods, but I'm going to unpair that and forget. So yeah, there's another very obvious things, but people forget about that. The next one, when you open your AirPods just like that, and you don't have this characteristical notification, I'm talking about this one, and they are not on the device at least, you have to move them manually to the pairing mode. How to make it? Click and hold the back button on the charging case. Let's make it. And when this indicator starts blinking, you can simply release that key. So just take a look. When the indicator is blinking, they will appear on the list, so we can easily connect to them. But if you still got problem and it doesn't help, you have to turn off the Wi-Fi. Sometimes when you got the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled at the same time, it just block in some cases the connection from our AirPods, and our device cannot detect the AirPods. So yeah, there's another problem that you may occur when you try to pair them. And the last one, when you charge your case, when you turn on Bluetooth, when you move them into the pairing mode manually, when you turn off the Wi-Fi and still you cannot connect, you can also try to make the software update. As you can see, I'm able to make it, but of course in my case everything goes work fine. But in your case, when you got still problems, let's make the simple software update. After that, just restart your device, and for sure when you follow all the steps, you will be able to connect your AirPods to any iOS device that you have. As you can see, when you get this notification that pairing is unsuccessful, you have to move them into the pairing mode manually, just like that. Yeah, and right now we can tap on the AirPods and we'll be connected for sure. As you can see, right now we are. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.